Starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Myself, Etisham Hamid, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Computernetic Zone, for another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about algorithm to assign grades based on obtained marks. So basically, we will take the obtained marks of the student, and based on that marks, the system will generate the grades. So you can see that on your report card. So here the first thing that you need to identify is that what shall be the input. The input will be the obtained marks of the student. So step 1 will be marks, student marks. If student marks is greater than 90, then system will set the grade is a variable, and A plus. So system will generate A plus grade against this 90% marks. Else if marks is greater than 80 but less or equal to 89, right? If it is between 80 and 89, so you can write in this form: if the student marks is greater than 80 but less than 89, less or equal than 89, then system will generate grade A for that marks. So if student marks is greater than or equal to 70 but less or equal to 79, then system will generate grade B. Else if student marks is greater or equal to 60 but less than or equal to 69, the system will generate grade C against that. And if student marks is greater or equal to 50 but less or equal to 59, the system will generate a grade D. And if student marks is greater or equal to 40 but less or equal to 49, then system will generate grade E. But if student obtain less than 40, anything less than 40, because if the system user will enter for suppose 35, so 35 is less than 40, so it doesn't fill on any of these conditions, then system will automatically assign the grade fail. So in this case the system will generate output against that. For example, if I write 74 marks, the user comes and enters 74 marks against that. The system will assess all these if conditions. If it will see that if 74 is greater than or equal to 90, no, this condition is not true. It will come to step 3 and check. If it is greater or equal to 80, no, it's not condition true. It will again come to that point. If it checks, yes, it is greater than 74 is greater than 70, yes, it is true. Now this will check as well. It is 74 is less or equal to 79, this condition is true. The system will display the output, that is grade B. So this is a simple and easiest of the algorithm to write grade against the obtained marks of the subject. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely respond there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.